Hi, I'm Chef Raphael and welcome to this video. It's brought to you by the East African Rice Conference and I'm so excited to be part of this. Now this video is part of three videos that I've done highlighting on 3 rice variants that I've chosen to make different recipes, and I hope in this recipe you get inspired to learn and to try out something new. Now for this video I'm actually making a pilau. The pilau that I've chosen to make is the chicken one, and watch till the end to see how exciting it is and how simple it is to make it, and I hope you learn something new. Let's get started. So welcome to the show, and for today's recipe, let me first start with the ingredients. We have the chicken. Now the chicken, I've used the leg meat. So what I did with the leg meat, I removed the bone and the skin. You can also use the chicken breast or meat on bone, but for me I prefer boneless chicken. We have 3 onions, we have 4 cloves of garlic, we have pilau masala, and now for the rice. Now the rice variant I'm using today is komboka for this recipe. I have actually I've learned a lot with this collaboration that we've had with the rice conference people. I have learned more about rice, and in this one, when I was testing it out, this komboka variant is that, first of all, it's not so aromatic and it's perfect for this kind of a recipe, but also it doesn't stick. When it cooks, the rice puffs up, and it has a not too thick grain. It has a nice crunch when you're biting into it. Now I've increased the heat because I want the chicken to brown. I don't want the chicken to start boiling, basically to reduce some water. I will add salt. The salt should be enough for both the chicken and the rice. And when the chicken is halfway cooked, I'll add the pilau masala. Now this is about 2 tablespoons of pilau masala. So you want the chicken and basically the masala to cook as well. So on low heat. So the chicken, the spice is all nicely mixed. I've actually added about a tablespoon more of the spice. I want it more flavor. For the spice, to be honest, it depends on the brand that you buy. Some of them are not as strong as others. So the next step now is adding the rice. Remember, it's already been rinsed. Increasing the heat, I'm going to add 3 cups of water. Again, you can use hot water or cold water. And now I'll cover. What will happen is that I'll let it start simmering. I will reduce, when it starts boiling, I'll reduce the fire to low so that it starts simmering slowly. And usually rice takes about 10 to 12 minutes to cook. And this is no different. It will be the same thing. But this smells delicious. I can't wait to dig in when the food is ready. So the rice is ready. It smells delicious. Now the rice, the komboka rice in this is exactly what, in terms of the results, this is exactly what I was expecting. Like I said, it smells delicious. And I'm going to serve it with a side of kachumbari or tomato salsa. On the description of this video, I'll actually include the ingredients for making your own pilau masala. I have a video that I've done earlier on how to make a pilau and even how to make your own pilau masala. So I'll link it so that you can, if you really want to make your own pilau masala, if it's not available from where you're watching me from, you can actually make it. So all that is left is to dig in, enjoy. So when you get to make yours, let me know. I would like to know in the comment section how yours is turning out. So thanks for the sponsors of this video, the Kabe, IRI, and the Ministry of Agriculture, Kenya. And until next time, goodbye.